Why did you enter the flooring competition?
The true reason. I wanted them to step it up.
If you're competitive at all, and I hope you are, the competition is for you.
The installation competition has always been important. It's always been a very big draw at TISE and surfaces to highlight the incredible talent that is out there in the installation community right now and put a bigger light on the work that they do and the skills and mastery they have.
Back in the day when they used to have the competition, and I was never involved with that. Never had enough confidence in myself. So I make up every excuse that I can not to do something because they didn't have the confidence that you could be as good as the next guy. When in reality, you don't know if you don't try.
You get a great sense of belonging. There's people who understand you, what you're going through, the different challenges. But also you have this great opportunity to network with all these different industry experts, manufacturers. Whether some of these installers, believe it or not, you have influence.
I heard about the installation competition last year. I competed, went to the finals. I didn't win, so I came back to try to win it again. Mainly just testing your skill against people that are supposed to be the best.
I've been in CFI for now 22 years, and to be able to meet other installers that have the same mindset of quality installation is a big plus, and it's a big value to the industry.
There's a need for pride in this industry, especially at the installation level. That competition is the most visible thing we do, and it allows people to shine. It creates pride within the industry so that people have an opportunity to rise to a higher level, to say that I'm better, that I've invested, that I've certified, I've done whatever it takes to be the best at what I do.